What's happening, guys? My name is Alex. Welcome back to a brand new video, and as you guys can see, I'm not wearing a cap today because the weather is so freaking but that doesn't stop me from recording, because in this video I'm gonna show you guys exactly how to make more money on YouTube, because there are actually a few new features that you can actually use in order to make more money. So if you are excited and if you are new, make sure to consider subscribing, because you have many different videos of these every single week. And also make sure to smash the like button down below, because I'm very confident that you will find this video very helpful. So with that being said, let's move on to step number 1. This feature is pretty new. I think YouTube released this feature like, I think maybe a week or 2 weeks ago, and that is basically that you can promote your merchandise below your videos. So if you have, for example, a clothing line and you want to convince your subscribers that your shirt is awesome and they need to get it, you can now put that down below your video and they will, simply, see the price and everything. I'll just show you guys an overlay, because there are some quite, requirements that your channel needs to meet, and obviously you need to create I think it's called like the merchandise shelf from YouTube. This will take you to a website where you can actually set this all up. So that's a great way to earn extra money, is just, create some awesome designs, for example in Photoshop, make a PNG version, only the logo, load that in on the website, on the t-shirt, and then you can also choose different sizes, like in small, medium, large, extra large, anything like that. So that's a great feature that YouTube has been introducing for the last few weeks. Some of those features always, require like 100,000 subscribers, or you need to be a YouTube partner and everything like that. But like I've said, I'll just overlay a screenshot, and I will also put the link down in the description to the blog where YouTube is explaining this in full detail. Okay, so now that merchandise is one way to earn extra money, let's move on to step number 2. Okay, so this feature is not as new as the merchandise feature. So I think the amount of subscribers you need for this feature is 100,000. But I think honestly that only a few channels have these features, and also channels below 100,000 subscribers are basically allowed this feature to test it, and then on the long run they are allowed to keep it. So what you can do, how this works is, once you have this sponsor feature on your YouTube channel, people can donate one amount of money every single month. I think it's like $4.99, and obviously YouTube is gonna take a cut of it, probably like, I don't know, 30% or 20%, because I don't have the feature yet, so I cannot give like full detail because I haven't looked into it yet. But that's another great way to earn extra money, because let's say like, oh, it's only $5 a month, but let's say that 10 people are doing that every single month. That's an extra 50 quid in your pocket. So that's a great way to also earn extra money. And I will also try to find a link to the Google blog where you can actually learn more about the sponsor feature. That's a great way to earn more money, and I would say let's move on to the last step, or the last way to earn money on YouTube, which is obviously step number 3. Okay guys, so this step is basically for the YouTubers that are not necessarily a YouTube partner, or don't have 1,000 subscribers, or don't have 4,000 hours of watch time, and that's basically donating. So I have basically made videos in the past about how to grow on YouTube and how to make money on YouTube, but this is a video how to make more money, where I also stated that you can live stream. So the only way you can actually make more money on YouTube without all the criteria is live streaming, because live streaming is obviously for free and you don't need to have a huge channel to be able to live stream. And what's also very nice is that Streamlabs is also free to sign up for if you want to set up your donations, because the revenue people are donating you has to go somewhere. So it goes into Streamlabs or Tipeee Stream or any other website that offers that. You can also deposit that revenue into your PayPal account, but once again, if you're under 18, parents need to link their bank account or link their PayPal account to your your Streamlabs, and that's basically what you can do. And if you're over 18, you can just create a PayPal because you're, you know, over the age of 18. So that's not a problem. So guys, those are 3 ways to make more money on YouTube: selling merchandise, using the sponsor feature, and, you know, getting donations from live streams. Another optional one is Patreon. It's also, you know, free to sign up. It's basically a website where you can set, for example, I need to be able to create awesome videos. I need, for example, $150 a month. Then people can pledge towards that, and they can just, for example, you know, donate $20 every month. And then if the people stack up, the money amount will also stack up. But that's just basically like an optional one. That's basically it. So guys, thank you so much for watching. Thank you guys for almost 203,000 subscribers. We just crossed, like, you know, 200,000 subscribers like a week ago, and we already crossed 202,000. So we're nearing 203k, and I'm really curious where this is going to end, because the channel is growing so fast. I'm super thankful. So guys, that's all I have for you guys today. I'll catch you guys in a brand new Vegas 15 tutorial tomorrow. And guys, if you watch it till the end, the first episode of the channel reviews will release on Thursday, in 2 days from now, this Thursday. So make sure to subscribe down below if you're new. Turn on the notifications because you don't want to miss out this episode. So guys, that's it, and I will see you guys in my next video.